We'll guide you through how to edit videos in CapCut using the latest features and interface updates for 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the CapCut website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Create New Project button to start a new video. You'll see an empty timeline at the bottom of the screen. To add your video clips, click on the Import button located on the upper left side. You can drag and drop your video files from your computer into the media library. Once imported, drag your clips down to the timeline to start editing. To trim a clip, click on it in the timeline, and you'll see handles appear at the ends. Drag these handles to adjust the start and end points of your clip. If you want to split a clip, position the playhead where you want to cut, and click the split button that appears above the timeline. Now, let's add some transitions. Click on the Transitions tab at the left-hand bar, and choose from a variety of options like Fade, Slide, or Zoom. Drag your chosen transition and drop it between two clips on the timeline. For text overlays, click on the Text tab, choose a style, and drag it onto the timeline where you want it to appear. Double-click on the text in the preview pane to edit its content, font, and color. To add music or sound effects, go to the Audio tab, browse the available tracks, and drag your selection onto the audio track in the timeline. You can adjust the volume by clicking on the audio track and dragging the volume slider. Once you're happy with your edits, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your video resolution and format, then click Export to save it to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully edited your video in CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.